Siya, ayun, medyo kamuntikan pa makabola sa dulo. Pero, ayun, natira kayo, stay composed. Thoughts mo lang sa game ngayon against Ian?
I'm just like what I said kanina, we played our game, we played the game plan that we need to do. So, again, I have to give credit to the players. And yung nagkakaroon sila ng run, also I just told the players just to stay composed. Of course, they're gonna make a run. And they're a champion team for a reason. And they have an NBA player. So, ano pa bang nila? So, again, we're happy with this win. It's gonna be it's a big win for us. But this is just the start of the playoffs. Talaga, every game is important. We needed this win, so we got one, and then now we focus on the second game. We cannot be satisfied because we win this game. We won this game. So we feel good about ourselves right now because hopefully nakita na namin ang importance to be to have that sense of urgency and to have that feeling of just beating an elite team. Because honestly hindi pa namin nagagawa yun sa team. So hopefully we know already what it takes to win on a playoff game.
Coach, slag best performance ngayon for the both team boards. Parehas career high. Siguro, ayun, and kayo yung nanalo. Ano lang yung thoughts mo doon?
Well, import sila for a reason. Diba? That's why they're here. Yan talaga ang kanilang trabaho. That's why they're here sila. They do their job. Actually, ball talaga. Ang mga NBA, wala ka po siya. Tinatawanan niya lang kami. So, yung 53, parang hindi nga siya na wala lang, diba? So, but more than that is really the support of my locals. I think the way they supported my import defensively and offensively. So, I think that's a nice one.
Coach, last game nyo, these Elims against Meralco. For sure, makipagbakbakan din sila. Paano nyo lang paghahandaan and keep this momentum?
Well, we just have to, honestly, just have to look at their games and we'll be ready for them, definitely. Because they need the win also, I think. I think they're gunning for number 2 also. So they need the win, we need the win. So we're gonna prepare hard just like how we prepared into this game. Good thing we have 3 days, 4 days of preparation against Meralco. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use our time to really prepare against them. Again, another opportunity for us to beat a champion team, an elite team, a very well coached team, a very well chemistry team. So it's a challenge for us. No? Nandito lang kami, parang kami yung challenger lagi. With the young players, young team, young coach. So again, another motivation.
Coach, medyo out of the topic lang. Recently, natapos na yung servisyo ni Mighty Mouse Jimmy sa Sacramento. If ever ba bumalay, parang gugustuhin mo ba na mag-reunion kayo sa PBA pero this time sa coach naman?
Oh, why not? Actually, we've been talking. I messaged him after I saw the news. So I messaged him. And, he's okay. I think he's still waiting for another opportunity. But of course, I'm willing. I'm willing to reunite with him with me this time. So why not? I can step back. I can step back with us as long as we're together. Why not? Of course. Sino may ayaw?
Ako siya, ano lang yung nangyari dun sa spot ko kanina dun sa play ni Galinato.
It's players. Everyone wants to win that. Siyempre, players will be emotionally hard. Kailangan eh. If I'm a player, I'll be doing the same thing probably because I want to win. So that's how it is. Ganun talaga. So maybe after that, actually, they nag-spark sila eh. So, You just have to find a way to win in this play.
Coach, ano lang, wala pa naman yung seeding na kung pwede niyong makalaban is I think Ginebra. sa first
Tsaka
round,
marami
sa klase. Ano lang, too far, pero ano lang yung
Honestly, ayaw ko munang isipin yun. Dahil mo pwede mangyari. Diba? Hindi pa rin natin alam. Never in context will take each other. So hindi pa natin. We just have to worry about ourselves. Kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin in this match.
alas na out of topic, Mother's Day si Monday. Ay, Sunday. Tapos maglalaro pa kasi sa
Kaya nga eh.
Ano lang yung message sa iyong ibahay at sa iyong nanay?
Siyempre, message lang sa lahat ng mga sa lahat ng mga mothers at siyempre sa salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. Salamat sa inyong sakripisyo kasi hindi nabubuo ang bahay kung wala ka. Wala kami dito lahat. Wala tayo dito lahat kung wala ka. So, salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. And hopefully, mabigyan namin ng isang magandang laban ng mga magulang namin, mami namin, banks namin, mga magulang namin sa game namin ng Sunday.
Alas coach, think of nanay, ano lang yung pinaka lesson na natatandaan nyo na binigay sa inyo na mami hanggang ngayon? Is dala-dala nyo din ang solution.
Just have faith. Just have faith in the Lord and believe all the time. You know, lahat ng nangyayari, maganda man or pangit, lahat na yun na sundan at bigay ng Diyos. Yun ang lagi sinasabi namin ng nanay. So, yun ang kinakamitan.
Coach,